I'm going to be doing my foot soak. I'm going around the house to see what herbs I'll be using in my foot soak. So we're here at the Leaf of Life, and just wanted to show you how you can, because there's a lot of times you have different medicinal plants in your house or even your neighbor's house, and you have no idea that they're medicinal. So what you're going to do, is go to Google, and there's this image thing right here. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to put it on the plant. You're going to click on it, and then it will show you exactly what plant it is and the benefits of the plant. So this is the Leaf of Life, and I'm going to be using this in my, so I'm going to pick a couple leaves. I'm just going to be picking a couple leaves for my, alright. So now we're going to be going to another plant. I saw these flowers and I was wondering what are they called and if they have medicinal properties. So we're gonna check Google again, click on the thing, and then I'm gonna put it on the plant and see. Oh, so these are called the Arabian jasmine. So I'm going to look what the benefits are. Benefits of the Arabian jasmine. This is saying that the Arabian jasmine is good for skin care. So that's nice, that's good. And it also helps to reduce redness and combat free radicals. That's good. It may be used to promote wound healing and increase skin elasticity. And you know, may I get old, so alright, I'm gonna be putting some Arabian jasmine in the foot soak. Alright, I think maybe these are enough. There's also a lime tree, and I'm going to be cutting some lime leaves for the concussion for the foot soak. I think this is enough. So lime leaves. So I'm putting in the Leaf of Life, the Arabian jasmine, and the lime leaves. My neighbor gave me some soursop leaves. I'm going to be adding it to the mixture. Alright, so this is the mixture, and I'm going to be boiling some water and then adding it to this, and then I'll see you when I'm soaking my feet. Look at it, it's infusing. You see the water turning green. The feet are in, and I'm going to do it until the water gets cool or room temperature. So yes. In case you're wondering what the benefits of foot soaking are, well, it helps to stimulate the acupoints for the heart, brain, kidneys, lungs, liver, spleen, and reproductive organs. It is something that we should be doing every day or as often as possible.